Losing a loved one is never easy, and the financial responsibilities that follow can feel overwhelming. One of the first challenges families face is paying for funeral expenses, especially when the deceased's bank accounts and assets are frozen until probate begins. So, what can you do? Start by locating any estate planning documents, such as a prepaid funeral plan or life insurance policy. These resources can provide immediate funds for funeral costs without waiting for probate. If there's a joint bank account, the surviving co-owner may be able to access funds right away. You'll need several certified copies of the death certificate to claim insurance benefits or access certain accounts. If these options aren't available, some funeral homes offer payment plans or grace periods, and there are loans specifically for funeral expenses, but be cautious about interest rates. In states like Missouri and Arkansas, funeral costs are given high priority for reimbursement from the estate. Keep detailed records and receipts for all expenses to ensure you can be repaid later. Open communication with family members is key to avoiding disputes. And remember, proactive estate planning, like setting up a prepaid funeral plan, can make this difficult time much easier for everyone involved.